Hi guys, VST here, Wallpapers Tech. Yeah, what a funny day. I just released a video in the morning giving you guys 5 tips, 5 features that are not so well known for the Galaxy S21. Then guess what? This happened. Pick up my phone and yeah, yet another update, right? So we have yet another update. Samsung are on a release spree. We are getting updates after updates. It's really being a wild ride. And this time again, they are saying the performance of the camera has been improved, overall device performance have been improved, and we can see that this is the AUB8. So on the 5th of February we got the AUB3, and this again introduced the security patches from February, because we've seen that the previous update was having security patches from January, and then Samsung said that the performance of the camera is improved and overall device performance. People again were screaming on XDA on the forums. They were not happy with the battery performance. A few days later, on the 12th of February, we got the AUB6 with again the same story here. Again, performance of the camera being improved and overall device performance being improved. Same patch levels here, right? Some people said it's okay, some people were not happy. And today, guys, is actually the 17th, but the firmware had been released yesterday. They are releasing the AUB8, which potentially replaces the AUB6 with the same information here, same changelog. Again, they are focusing on system performance updates and also performance of the camera. Well, you know what? I'm just saying, every time Samsung are doing updates, I say yes, please, you know, whatever is broken, just fix it, guys, make it really work. What we're gonna be doing in this video, besides downloading and installing this patch, we're gonna be checking some of the versions, you know, the camera, you know, the home screen, the biometrics, just to make sure we can see what Samsung updated. So without any further ado, let's just check the current AUB6 camera version. So camera version is 11.00258. Let's check now the launcher version. Launcher version of the home screen in the AUB6 is 12.10066. Let's check now the security. Security patch fingerprint 5101 and face recognition 20012. With that said, guys, let me just hit here install now. We're gonna be back when everything is up and running, and we're gonna be checking these versions again. Hopefully we are able to find some new things. Well, if not, then you know Samsung is trying to be a bit more transparent so that we, the end users, don't really see what happens. But hey, I really hope that they're going to improve this. There are even people with the S21 Ultra having 5000 mAh of battery, saying that the phone cannot even last one day, right? And that's not good, guys. This one here, S21 Plus, 4800 mAh. I mean, it should really get you at least 5-6 hours of screen on time with mixed usage, which I mean mixed. This is really going on mobile and also using Wi-Fi. Let's see what happens after the update is installed. Alright, we are now running indeed the latest version. Every time you do perform a system update, make sure that you wait for the system to unravel, because right now we see that the Android system is indeed finishing the system update. With that said, we can just go here to About Phone and just see the software version. So we can go here to software information, and we can indeed scroll down and see that we are now running on the latest patch from February, and we have here the build number AUB8. What we're gonna be doing right now, we're gonna be doing again the check. So let's check first the camera version. Camera version on the AUB8 is the same, 11.00258. Let's check the home version of the AUB8. So we're gonna go to here and we see it's 12.10066, pretty much the same, I'm sure. Last but not least, let's also check the face recognition and the fingerprint into the biometrics and security, more biometric settings. So the security patch, we see that the fingerprint is 5101, same. Face recognition 20012 is pretty much the same. One thing we can also do, guys, go to Galaxy Store and see if Samsung are pushing some updates to their stock applications. We have 3 updates to Samsung Free, to the voice recorder and the Samsung Smart Switch. Interesting, what are they updating? Samsung Free, yeah, 2.5 doesn't really have the best rating. What's new here? Further to watch tab, turn on off channel category, view the recommendation, docking mode, and etc, etc. But you know, I'm just using here the Google Discover. So guys, this has been really it. I will be following this update very closely, because we are all crossing our fingers to get a bit more battery. Stay tuned, and if you have the same updates on your phone, let me know what happens in comments down below. With that said, guys, please stay safe, stay healthy, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST, over and bye.